In this next step, we're going to install our tray. So make sure when you're installing the tray, you're lifting up all these cables, okay, and the antenna. Okay, first, you see we have a little cutout here and a little cutout there. So all the cables have to fit through here. Okay, so make sure again that all of this is handled like so. Now in the instruction sheet, we ask you to use 2 screws and attach this in here. Now you can do this, and again, just make sure that before you do that there are no cables running through. If there are, like this one, you gotta pull them all out. Make sure nothing's getting pinched. Okay, this is the antenna. Make sure that the antenna runs through here and not through the back. If there's any cables running through the back, make sure they go through this opening. Okay, now we can put our 2 screws in.